In a chilling throwback to the December 16 brutal gang rape in Delhi, another horrific rape case has been reported from the national capital. A 6-year-old girl was kidnapped from right outside her house on Sunday evening. She was subsequently raped and brutalized. Well, the police found the girl bleeding profusely on the roadside at Kapasera on the Delhi-Gurgaon border. The police then took the girl, who sustained serious abdominal injuries, to Safdarjung Hospital. They have now filed a case of rape, and a hunt for the girl's parents is on. For more on that story, let's go across to my colleague Sonal Mehrotra, who joins us from the capital. Sonal, as I said, this is really a horrific reminder of the 16 December brutal gang rape that was reported in the national capital. Chilling similarities really here. A 5-year-old girl kidnapped, raped, brutalized, and she's also sustained serious abdominal injuries. What are the police saying at the moment? Have they managed to make any headway in the case?
No headway in the case so far, Neha, but we are back at Safdarjung Hospital, and no good news this time as well. This time, as you said, a 6-year-old girl was brutally assaulted and left on the road bleeding profusely. And later we know that this happened on the Sunday night, on the 10th night on the Delhi-Gurgaon border. She was found by a passerby on the Gurgaon side of the border and brought to the check post, which is manned by the Delhi police. The Delhi police then, wasting no time, got her to Safdarjung Hospital behind me, and since then several surgeries have been performed on her. We know that her rectal tract her rectum was badly damaged, which is part of the lower intestine, and then surgeries took place on Monday, and remember, these these surgeries are done in parts. So they've performed one part of the surgery, and she's been brought outside the ICU. And now she remains to be in a stable condition, and the doctors say that she might be discharged today, but she'll have to be brought back, and several other surgeries will have to be performed. But coming to the investigation point of view, Neha, what is really saddening and shocking at this point is that despite the girl being from Gurgaon and found precisely on Gurgaon side, Gurgaon police has taken no action so far. In fact, it is Delhi police which is investigating the case. It is Delhi police which has gone in to register an FIR in the Protection of Child Against Sexual Abuse Act, and now looking into the matter. Now, when the girl was brought in, there was no news, no FIR prior registered regarding any missing child, so did not know whom the child really belonged to. Now, with the investigations done by Delhi police, what's coming to fore is that a couple who works as a labor in Gurgaon has been looking for a child approximately of the same age. Now, the Delhi police will be bringing them to the hospital and trying to identify if that is the case. If that can be done, that will be a real headway into the case. Otherwise, this 6-year-old girl assaulted is currently lying alone in the hospital with no one really to take care of her. Also, what we are getting to know from Delhi police is the fact that they will be taking care and will be looping in an NGO who can interact with the girl and get further headways into what really happened to her on Sunday night, and get further headways. They'll be trying to they'll try and see some CCTV footage, and also try and get some help from Gurgaon police, which so far hasn't really done much on this case to identify the culprits of this gruesome attack which brings us back the memories of what happened on December 16 and which shook the entire country. Neha?